Negativity among teenagers has plagued the world in recent years. With this epidemic growing, one is left to wonder what can be done. Obviously, teens are not as well adjusted as adults. Older individuals may find difficulty finding possible solutions as it is so hard for their rationale and well-balanced minds to comprehend those that are much more mature than them. However, there are some simple steps to be taken in combating this mindset. Every time a child displays behavior associated with negative thinking, they will be required to do a line of cocaine. Cocaine releases dopamine. This is a chemical process which includes feelings of joy or happiness. Cocaine blocks dopamine removal from the synapses of the brain, creating a feeling of complete euphoria. This makes it essentially impossible to be negative.
When high on cocaine, one feels less fatigued. Productivity amongst teenagers will increase, so they no longer have negative thoughts about things like grades. Those addicted to cocaine also experience decreased appetite. Those with a negative body image benefit from this. Families with excess food have a donation for the poor, most of whom would also accept a slightly soiled wad of dollar bills. Sigmund Freud supported the use of cocaine to treat depression, and really, I think credibility is thoroughly established with an endorsement like that.
Cocaine, a rather volatile drug, does possess some questionable side effects. One must always increase their dosage to get high. Eventually, if not stopped, they will overdose. Fortunately, by this point, they will have become so paranoid and aggressive, they'll have pushed all their friends and family away. When they pass on, still tripping, they'll be happy. No one close to them will mourn them after experiencing their behavior while addicted. There are some other, cheaper, perhaps less fatal options for negativity. Gratitude and kindness could be instilled in children from a young age by parents and schools. Schools could advertise volunteer work opportunities. Many have claimed to feel more positive after performing public service. Exercise also releases chemicals in the brain that create feelings of happiness. Organized exercise groups or programs would make physical activities more fun and manageable.
These ideas, however, will never work. Children rarely listen to parents or teachers, so trying to teach kindness and gratitude prove a waste of effort. As for exercise and volunteer work, no teen wants to partake in these activities. All they want to do is sit in their rooms, scroll through Twitter, and wallow in dank memes and self-loathing. Clearly, Coke's the best option.
Disclaimer. Obviously, none of the people making this video would ever resort to cocaine, as none of us have ever had a negative thought in our lives.